Ayan, ja. I'm going to spell the word and I want you to read it, okay? Without using a pen or paper to write it down. And then tell me how to read it or pronounce it, okay?
I don't know.
T-W-I. How are you going to say it? W-I.
I.
Yes.
Tui.
Tui. Okay, another one. T-W-A.
T-W-A. Tua.
Okay. How about the T-W-O?
Tu.
Again.
Tua.
Spell it. T-W-O. How are you going to read it or say it?
T-W-O.
Yes. O.
T-W-O is two.
Mani ka na muna eh.
Sabi mo yung kanina.
Okay. One more. Count 1 to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, another 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ano ang Tagalog ng tinidor?
Ano? Pork.
Are you sure ang Tagalog ng tinidor ay pork?
Pork.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Anong Tagalog ng tinidor?
Pork. Pork.
English.
English ng pork. English na yun eh.
Kaya nga, ano ang Tagalog ng tinidor?
Tagalog na yun eh.
I got you.